Hey everybody, today I'm going to walk you through on how we make our Kindred Soap Set. First, I'm cutting up the cocoa butter block into small cubes and popping it in a microwave-safe bowl. I'm going to microwave this for 10 seconds until it's about this consistency. Now I'm using the blood orange essential oil for a nice scent and putting a few drops of that into the mixture, as well as a little bit of coloring to make it this nice blood orange color. Now I'm adding some dried floral leaves to the mold and then pouring that mixture right on top. I'm going to put this in the freezer for about 20 minutes to harden, and that's our final product. Now I'm setting up my station again. I'm going to be microwaving the cocoa butter blocks for about 10 seconds. Now this time I'm going to be adding the lavender essential oil, just a few drops of this, as well as some purple coloring to make it this perfect lavender color. So this bar of soap from our collection is going to be an exfoliant, so I'm going to be adding some pink Himalayan sea salt, mixing that up and adding it to the mold, as well as topping it off a little more. And this is our final product. And finally, I'm setting up to make our last soap bar of the collection. So microwaving the bars just to get to this consistency. And then I'm going to be adding the cedarwood essential oil, which is muskier than the other two soaps we've already made. I'm going to be adding some dried eucalyptus leaves and mixing that up. After mixing it together, I'm going to be pouring it into our selected mold. And again, putting that into the freezer for about 20 minutes. And here is our final soap bar. Our Kindred Soap Set is inspired by families, as each bar is so different from each other but works so well together. We package each soap individually and then place them in a box together. Inside the box, you'll find a QR code which will give you more information on each soap bar. And if you're not sure which one's best for you, you can go to our website and take a free quiz.